gunning for a 50 basis point cut.
Wasn't as dovish as you might expect from him.
No, he is obviously the most dovish member, and therefore markets probably geared themselves up for him, kind of hinting that 50 basis points was likely. So that probably of the two was the more interesting speech.
And just to bring it back in the context of the US dollar then, and we were talking about obviously the impact that has had on the euro. Euro is obviously trading firmer versus the US dollar. But in the interest of the upcoming cutting rate cycle that's about to come out of the Fed, is it fair play to say that on the back of that you could expect to see some dollar weakness? Is it as simple as that? Is it one for one?
It is tough because obviously the US has a twin deficit, which all other things being equal probably should be a dollar weakness story. But it is more complicated than that. Europe as a whole has got a current account surplus.
Yeah.
So all other things being equal, the euro probably should be rising against the dollar, but then you've got the interest rate differential being a different thing. So euro dollar has been stuck in a quite tight range for some time as these two forces fight each other out, and we're not convinced it's going to break soon.
So we've talked about trade war, we've talked about Feds. The other important development that markets have been focused on over the last week, of course, are the geopolitical developments. So we've seen some of the risk premium being priced back into energy markets. Also, gold is back up, trading at 6-year highs. Do you have a view on the precious metal here?
Well, I think it was interesting to see Bitcoin up 180% since April. Some of that is because of the Libra project, but I think a combination of Bitcoin and gold, there's an element to it that
right.
If central banks are going to be this aggressive, then alternative currencies do start to become a little bit more attractive. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Giovanna Bersecci.